Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at a new feature in Nintex Forms for Nintex Workflow Cloud where you can dynamically redirect on the submit button. So to activate this feature or use this feature, just go to the action panel at the bottom and you'll notice we have default success page. So if I click on redirect to URL, now previously you would put in the URL and it would be static. It would always go to that address. So you might have a customer thank you page or something like that. It was always static. Now, what we've got is the insert tab here. Now, if you're familiar with this insert tab, that's where we can insert logic. So a formula or a variable or even just a form control. So I can put my text short in there. Today, what we're going to look at is I'm going to use Google as an example. So we've got Google uses a query string parameter to pass the search term into the query string parameter. So I've got Victoria and it's passed Victoria into here. So I can take everything before the search term and put it into my variable here. So I'm just going to use a formula because I don't really need to use it twice. So I don't need a variable. And I'm going to say text short. Okay, so once I insert that, that means that anything typed in here, and when I press submit, it's going to redirect to Google and put in my term in there. So I'm going to press apply changes, publish my form, and let's go publish. Okay, let's open up the form. And if I put, let's choose something here, New South Wales, press submit. And it redirects to the query string parameter we talked about before. Come back and we can put Victoria, submit, and it redirects to a different URL basically. So it's pretty easy to get your head around and use. As I mentioned before, you could actually use the full control if you wanted to. So coming back to here, delete that, insert form controls. We can just put the whole control in there as well. So we go apply changes and publish. And so what that basically means is I could put a URL into my text short and it'll redirect to different pages. So we'll go ahead and do that. So close these. Okay, we'll open up our form. Now I could just put in www.google.com and it doesn't have the HTTP protocol in front of it. We automatically figure that out. If it doesn't have it, we'll figure it out, put it there. Or if I put HTTPS www.nintex.com, it already detects that the HTTPS protocol is there and it won't actually add it in. So if we see, it redirects to Nintex. That's pretty much it. So I hope you find that feature useful. Let me know in the comments. Cheers.